now. Who's writing on my screen? Please. All right, thank you. Gracias. So thing about trading is this. We all want to make it big, obviously. I mean that's like the end goal. Do you understand? We all want to make it big. Yeah. But what a lot of people don't realize is that it's a step at a time. Like it's one step, after the other. You don't just jump from one phase to the other. You get whenever I'm flipping accounts and all that, I keep telling my students, I did not just start overnight. I didn't just wake up one morning and start making $1,000 every day. It doesn't work that way. You get so that's just how it is. So wherever it is that you are doing right now, whatever money you are making right now, if you are making $20, $50, $10, even $1, every dollar counts. I mean, you can see the rates now. Dollar is like 1,800 per dollar right now. I'll be 1,850 right now. So every dollar counts, okay? So you don't just go from 0 to 100 just like that. Do you get? Do you get? It takes time. It takes time. It takes time. What's the difference between inner circle and mentorship? Inner circle is for my VIP signals. Okay, I drop about like 4 to 5, 6 signals a day. Depends on the mood. Today I'm in a good mood, and honestly, I don't know why I'm in a good mood, but I'm just in a good mood. Like, when you feel something good coming your way, you just, you go just feel you go just know, like something is about to happen, like something is, coming. You go feel so you know. That's why I'm just happy. I swear, I'm just happy. You get. So let me see what we have. This is not for my mentorship. Like I have a session in the next 30 minutes with my mentorship, people. But I just wanted to just have a few on here that's not my mentorship. Bro, that G-Wagon must get down by fire by force. I swear, you must get that G-Wagon. Don't go run out. Nothing too hard for gossip. All right. So this was the setup I sent this morning. Yeah, I sent the setup this morning. So I want us to review this trade. This is a very beautiful trade. I don't know how many of you took it. You get? I don't know how many of you took it, but if you took this trade, then kudos to you. Props. All right. So how did I go about this trade? Now I just came on the chart. I knew that Euro AUD is bullish. To me, Euro AUD is bullish. Do you get? So I was anticipating a buy. Hello, baby. What's up? All right. Okay, so why is this bullish? Structure, market structure. Where's price coming from and where's price going to? Do you get where's price coming from? Where's price going to? So I saw that there was a sweep of liquidity here. For those who know about sweep of liquidity, there was a sweep of liquidity there, and we had this structural liquidity. If you don't know what structural liquidity is, this is what structural liquidity is. After a sweep and it moves to the upside, wherever price retraces to the downside and then goes up again, this becomes a structural liquidity. It's usually the last low before the protected low, which is this, which is this, which is this. So this was what I saw. I can't play price back because I've not upgraded this thing again. So I'll try to do that today. So where's the overall move of the market? This is where price is coming from. This is your starts. These are starting points. Starting points. And where's your finish point? This is your finish point. Yeah. This is where price is coming to. Oh, sorry. Yeah. This is where price is coming to. How do you expect finish? Bro, I don't go school. What's this? Finish. Okay. This is your finish point. So this is where price is coming to. So you can see this. You can see the movement of Euro AUD right now. skyrocketing to the upside. So what do you want to be looking out for? You want to be looking out for buys. You get, like, I saw a lot of people that were trying to take sales on Euro UJ. I was like, have fun now, bro. You don't do that. You don't do that. Do you get? You wait for price to give you a direction, and once price gives you a direction and tells you that this is where I'm going to, then you want to follow price. Do you get? You want to follow price to where it's going to. So if it's buying, you want to be buying. If it's going to the downside, you want to be selling. Do you understand? This is how easy it is. But a lot of people still don't know this yet. It's this simple. You get? So that is how I knew that, okay, I need to look out for a buy, because this is where price is going to. This is like a magnet. Price needs to take out this eye. So look at what's happening now. Look at what's happening now. So what I did was, this is my higher time frame. This is like the 1 hour time frame. So I went to my 30 minutes, or was it, what time frame was that? All right, let me go to the 30 minutes to see what happened. Oh, sorry, 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes is better. So I saw this again. I saw another sweep of liquidity here. I saw another sweep of liquidity. This became what? This became the new structural liquidity. That became the new structural liquidity. So this became my new PY. Where's my new PY? Where's it? All right, this was my PY. Yeah, this was my PY. You get. So what the price do? Came back to take out the structural liquidity, did a little bit of range here, and then went to the upside. I was anticipating price to take out this eye, but it did not take out this eye instead. What did it do instead? It gave us the structural liquidity, this, and then took out the structural liquidity and moved to the upside. So now, if you have missed this entry and you want to look out for another possible entry, what do? You look out for your sweep. You look out for your sweep. So now, where's the possible entry? Where the price sweep liquidity? I mean, that's like the number one rule when trading. Look out for the sweeps of liquidity, either a buy side liquidity or a sell side liquidity. So there was a sweep of liquidity here and price book structure here, right? Price book structure there, which means this became a new structural liquidity that price is likely to take out. Yeah, price is likely to take this out. This is my protected low. So if you are looking for continuation, price is likely to come here again to keep buying to the upside again, right? So this is like a continuation move. So what we're anticipating price to do this, come down here and then go up. Do you get? Or if price does not do that, price might just do something like this. Price might just come here to start buying. Price might just come here to start buying. It's easy to spot. I keep saying, once you're able to see it, you can never unsee it. It's so easy to spot. And despite how easy it is, not a lot of people will still get it, even if you know it. Do you understand? So check GU. Someone said I should check GU. Okay, let me check GU. Let me see. Oh, I won't have it. Let's send this setup. Oh, okay, this is GPAUD. Sorry, that's GPAUD. Like, I always have so many setups. So many. And I always analyze all. Look at my watch list. Let me show you my watch list. I analyze all of these pairs here. Everything. You can see everything. So I already know all the buyers for each pair. You get, so that's why whenever I come to the chat, it's easy for me to just look out for an entry, because I know that, okay, so pair is buying, so pair is selling. You get, so these are about 25 pairs on my watch list, and I analyze every single one of them every morning. Although I don't really trade currency pair, but I just like it. I just enjoy analyzing it. So I just enjoy analyzing it. So it's more like a back testing stuff for me. Last month I caught all the cells on GU. I think about 6 cells. I caught all the cells on GU. I caught this one. Where was it? I caught this one. There's another one. I caught this one. I caught this one again. I caught this one. There are so many cells on GU. I caught majority of them. Yeah, so let's do top-down analysis on GU. Top-down analysis on GU. Let me go to my weekly time frame. First things first, you want to know where price is coming from. You want to know where price is coming from. Once you're able to determine where price is coming from, you most likely know where price is going to. Yeah. So there was a time I saw something like this on the weekly time frame. I saw a sweep of liquidity here, right? I saw a sweep of liquidity here. I saw this protected low. Then I said to myself, could this be a structural liquidity? But this structural liquidity is too far. It's too far. It's too far. It's too far. You get, so I was like doubting, like, oh, this is not up to 50%. So I don't want to use that. So let me keep going to the lower time frame. Let me go to the daily time frame. Let me see if I have any liquidity there. Now this would have been the sweep of liquidity that would have seen that is valid. This would have been my structural liquidity, but price did not do what? Price did not take it out. See, price did not take it out. So a buy for me is not valid until price are taking this out, which it did not. So it just came here, then went back up. Just came here, went back up. Do you understand? So where is this sell coming from? This sell here, where is it coming from? Now let's go to the 4 hour time. Where is this sell coming from? Now you need to be able to determine where your price is coming from and where it's heading to. So I saw that there was a sweep of liquidity, valid. This became a protected eye. This became my structural liquidity. Structural liquidity. So what happened? Price ranged around my POI for some time before it did what? Before it finally sold off. So this was my POI. So price just wicked it out a bit, but it did not trade above it. It just like wicked it out and then closed back inside. Wicked this out, closed back inside, and started trading below the structural liquidity. Sorry about that. Below the structural liquidity. So that's how I was looking for sales all through January and early February. Sales, 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 sales. So what happened was this. Price then gave us a sweep of liquidity here, right? This is top down analysis of sweep of liquidity. This became a protected eye. Now on the daily time frame, if you are already on this sell, where would be the target? This would be the target. This is my target. Yeah. This low. Yeah. So what do I want to be looking out for? I want to be looking out for sales. Okay, sales and all the sales that I've caught so far, all of them have hit TP, have smashed TP. Do you understand? So that is it. All right. So this became a what? A structural liquidity. And what the price do? Price took it out. Price took it out. Sorry. Price took out the structural liquidity and it did what? It sold off. And sold off. Where was the target? This was the target. Smashed it. Right? That was the target. So what was I looking out for? I was still looking out for more sales, more sell. Until price does what? Until price takes out this eye. then I want to start looking for buys. But if price does not do that, I want to keep looking for sales. I want to keep looking for sales. Today, tomorrow, I'll still be looking for sales until price invalidates this protected eye. That's when I want to start looking for buys. Do you get the top analysis? I started from the weekly. I mostly start from the weekly. Yeah, from the weekly. That's where I mostly start from. Now look at this again. Let's go to the 2 hours time frame. You see that there's another setup here. There's another setup here. There was a sweep of liquidity here. We had this sweep here. This became a protected buy. See, price keep respecting the sells. Price keeps respecting the sells. So this is structural liquidity. So where's my POI? This is my POI. Yeah. Price took out structural liquidity and then sold off. Dark side, please can you stop writing on my chart? So this became a what again? This became a protected eye again. And why is that? Please, dark side, remove the annotation on my screen, please. I used to got paper. And this is what? This is structural liquidity. So what the price do? Price came, took it out, and then it did what? Sold off. So I caught all these sales. Please remove this thing that you wrote on my screen. No, I used to go beg you, I beg. Dark side. All right, so how many cells now? 1, 2, 3. On the lower time frame, there are some other cells here, Sha. There's some who be this person? Ah! What is this guy?
So you can close your screen and open it again to go.
Boss, the person name go appear for there. Just comot the person ASAP.
I don't find him. I know this. I don't know the waste my time. All right. So these were the cells, and now what's price doing currently? Let me take all of this out. Let me keep my chart clean. Once we are done with this, we'll go to synthetics. I will need to trade synthetics today. So now this is the current price action. This is the current price action right now. Okay. So inside this current price action, I want to look out for a setup. And what am I looking at for mostly? I'm looking at for sales. Okay, so I'm looking at for a sell setup inside this. And I if you take disable and for my settings. Let me check. Settings. Disable annotation for order. Wow, come on, not see these things. Disable. All right, I've done that. So now this is recent price action. I'm seeing a sweep here, right? This is a sweep, right? So this means this is a protected eye. And what's a protected eye? Price is not supposed to come back there to take it out. Right? Price is not supposed to take this eye out. Okay, so that's my protected eye. I could not use okay, now where's my structural liquidity? This is obviously my structural liquidity. Yeah. Despite how far it may seem. Then this is my POI. Now remember, this setup has not yet played out fully. It's on the 4 hours time frame. It has not yet played out fully. So what was I anticipating? I was anticipating price to do this. We have a sweep. Price takes out the previous side. Break of structure. Price gives us a structural liquidity. So I'm expecting price to take this high, this low out. If price does not take this low out, I won't be looking out for sales just yet for this. So price must do this first and then come back to continue. So that was what I was anticipating, but price did not take it out just yet. Do you understand? So, but if price does this, take this out, then I'll be interested in this sell. Okay. So on the fast time frame, we don't have a sell setup yet. We don't have a value sell setup yet. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. You see now I've gone from the weekly to the daily to the 4 hour to the 1 hour now. Okay, to the 1 hour now. And on the 1 hour, this is the most recent sweep of liquidity. But I won't consider this structural liquidity valid. Why? Because it's too far. It's too far from here, from my POI. My structural liquidity has to be very, very close to my POI. Yeah, it has to be very, very close to my POI. So this would have been the sell that I would have anticipated, but this was not high enough for me. It's not up to 50%. Look at this. From here to here, it's not up to 50%. Yeah. So I want to scratch this out. Let me remove this. I'm not interested in this yet. I'm not interested in this. And I'm not interested in taking buys just yet. I'm not interested in buys. So let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. I know some people will be seeing some buy setups, but I'm not interested in the buys. All right, I'm not interested in the buys. If price gives me something like this for a sell, then I'll take the sell. But unless that, I want to stay away from GBPUSD for now. All right, don't frustrate. If you are not seeing your setup clearly, you move on. Do not force a trade. Okay, do not force a trade. All right, so if I'm not seeing anything on GBPUSD, I want to leave it. I want to leave it. Okay, so let me go to synthetic, my favorite. Synthetic. Yeah. Yeah, I had this sell for 150s, but price never came to my entry. Price, see, look at what happened. Price never came to my entry. They fear once, they never sabi anything. See, price never came back. I mean, this would have been an amazing sell. An amazing sell. Had it been price just did this, tap me in, then boom, tank. It would have been better. Which one do we have here? V100. Let me see what happened with V100. Why, Jesus Christ. Ignored my entry as well. This V25 1S, it was just a risk. I didn't even do any analysis. I just saw a 5 minutes supply level. Now that's what a lot of people don't know. I don't just trade. I don't trade limits. I don't set limits. I don't trade. What do you call it? I don't trade sell limits, buy limits. I don't do all of those. I wait for confirmation before taking a trade. That way, I tend to avoid unnecessary losses. That way, I tend to have precise entries, more sniper entries. That way, I tend to stack on my trades. B50s. Now let me see this B50s. Wow! Wow! What the fuck? Yo, my goodness! Jesus Christ! Ow, ow, ow. No, this was the trade I did last night. It was in the middle of the night. I think around when 1 or 2 a.m. So my target was this. This was my TP, and I closed at 1,200 here. Now look at what price is doing. So this would have been double of my profit. I'd be triple. In fact, see, look at where price got to. That means if I had actually held this trade, I would have been up let's say 4K. 4K. Right? Okay, at least 3.5. This is an amazing trade, bro. Let me close this one. I use this one. Shine. Let me close this. This one baby shower. Now shall I talk good? So all right, let's move on. Now V50, I was anticipating I think a buy. No, it was a sell, but that sell was not valid. I didn't even take it. Right? Yeah, I was anticipating a sell, but so just a rubbish setup. I was trying to force trade. Don't mind. Sometimes I go against my rule. This one. Let me see how this goes out. Not bad. All right, so that was it. So if you have any synthetic pair that you're looking at, maybe you want to buy or sell, let me know. Just tell me which pair to analyze. Tell me in the comment section. Let me analyze synthetic pair. I'm done for today. I'm not really trading today. So. V10, V10. Now V75. You see this V75? I totally forgot that I had a sell setup that had not yet hit TP. Yeah, on the 4 hours time frame. This was the setup I had. 4 hours time frame. This was it. I had a sweep of liquidity. Yeah. I had this protected eye, and I had this structural liquidity. So price did what? Price took out my structural liquidity, and then it was selling. So I totally forgot that this is the sell trend. So price has been selling ever since. So you should be looking out for sales because why? Where's the TP? This is the TP. Price is definitely going to come here. So you want to look out for sell opportunities on the lower time frame. You want to look out for sell opportunities. Let me take this off. Remember, sell opportunities, sell opportunities. Now, what do you want to look out for your sweep of liquidity? You want to look out for sweep of liquidity. Now, to me, there's no current sweep of liquidity yet. There's no current sweep of liquidity for me, so I need to like wait it out. I need to wait. The price gives me that sweep of liquidity, break of structure, and all. This trade is tempting me. This trade is tempting me. This trade is tempting me. Oh, well, me, I get coconut head. I'll miss this trade. This trade is tempting me. Why is it tempting me? Because this 5 minutes demand level is not yet mitigated. So chances are that price might do this. Price might actually come back here, tap into this 5 minutes demand level, and then buy. So I might be tempted to take this trade. I'm trading see, this is a counter trade. I'm trading against the trend. But sometimes when you trade against the trend, you'll be surprised the results it will yield. So I have a lot of money to play around with. So if you know you don't have money to throw away, do not risk this thing. For me, I will risk it. I will gladly risk it. Let me just save it for reference purposes. Save D75. Now, why am I tempted to take this buy? Why am I tempted to take this buy? I tried taking a buy on V75 this morning. It did not end well because I later saw that okay, this is actually going to go down. Do you understand? So once price misses your entry, yeah, it's in the discount zone, like the the most discounted area you can actually buy V75. That's where it is currently. Do you get? That's why I'm tempted to take this trade. This thing has been selling. Now, remember, price will be giving you higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So, price is giving you this, give you this, give you this. He has given you this, giving you this now. I'm expecting to give me this. That's why I want to take this sell. Sorry, this buy. So this one might actually form the setup. Maybe this one will do sweep of liquidity here, give you structural liquidity, and then continue selling. But I shall know when to get out of the trade. And also, Price. Okay, this is not it. I'm sure interested in this buy. Not anybody want them. If I lose it, I lose it. We'll make it back. That's what a lot of people don't understand. Risk management. Risk management. Me, I don't mind blowing accounts. I know that I'll get my money back. I don't mind losing trades. I know I'll get my money back. So someone else said the what? The V25S. I love V25S. You see, V25S and V50S, those are my, those are my best pair to trade. Why? Because they are very, very volatile. Very, 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 very volatile. V25 1S and V50 1S. They're the ones that have given me the most money so far, the most profit so far. But right now, V25 1S is not really giving me something to look out for. Yeah, it's not really giving me something to look out for. Is this a soup of liquidity? This can be considered a soup. Yeah, price took out this eye. And price gave us the structural liquidity. And remember, price has been selling. So price has been selling. So you want to follow the trend. So this could be a possible sell continuation. This could be a possible sell continuation. Yeah, this is a new eye, protected eye. So this could be a possible sell continuation. Let's go to the lower time frame. Let's see what's happening there. Sells, sells, sells. Now, don't be surprised if 25 1S might do this. Do not be surprised if B25 1S does this. Because I'm looking out for what sells. Okay. So on the 5 minutes, I want to see if I have. I don't even have any valid supply level here. There's no valid supply level for me. So this would be a risky trade for me. A very risky trade. Very risky. If I want to risk it, let me just keep the setup sharp. Leave 25 minus. We have 3 minutes left. I can't analyze everything, but the next one. Do a top down analysis on any trade. How you can catch trades on smaller time frame. All right, any trade. Let's see V25. Let's see V25. Where's V25 coming from and where's V25 going to? I've been anticipating buys on V25. Buys, 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 buys. Yeah, concerning the margin stuff, if you want to open multiple positions, and let's say for example you have like maybe a $10 capital, you want to open your positions till your margin gets up to, let's say, $3 to be on the safer side. Because me, I always go full margin, and it's very, very risky. Do you understand? I might have blown an account once before I retry it again. So it's very, very risky. Don't try this at home or at school. Stay safe. Don't try it. Do you get? So use a responsible margin. All right. If you have a margin, or if you have a capital of $20, use a margin of like $5 or $10, half of the margin. So the remaining half, is to accommodate your drawdown. Do you get? Because any spike, any move, any candle like this, it will wipe out your account. You get? That's like I can do crazy numbers, 22K, 21K, and all that. Do you understand? And why have I not tried doing maybe 1,000 to maybe 100K, 1,000 to this? It's all about planning. You need to be psychologically ready for that. You need to be mentally ready for that. Yeah. So I'm working towards it. I'm working towards it. Very, very soon. Very, very soon, guys. All right. Currently, what V25 is doing is ranging. How do I easily stack up 100 positions? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. It's not hard now. Just concentrate on your margin. You want to open as many positions as possible till your margin gets to like 50% of your capital or of your balance, or let's say 45 or 40%. That's you just keep tapping it. Keep opening it. I've just shedded light on margin. Oh, you guys should learn about margin. It's well, because like a lot of people saying that my flips are fake. Maybe I funded $1,000. Maybe I blew the money to. Look at the margin. If my margin is $20, my balance is $20, my margin should not be more than $20. If it's more than $20, it means I blew an account and it's just recovering from its losses. Anyway, guys, our time is up. There's really nothing here on it. Guys, peace. I love you all. Goodbye.
Boss, please send us a video in the group.
I will try to do that.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
welcome.
Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you so much. I've learned so much from you. Thank you so
Please,
much.
some info about mentorship, please.
Mentorship is $100. Otherwise, $500.
God bless you so much.
Boss, I
God
paid
bless
for
you so
one on
much.
one. I've been for you.
Make I run you. Make I run you one.
Instagram account.